Do you have £40,000 to bury yourself? Because a lot of people don't even know the cost of burial in the UK. To spend £100 on a phone contract, that will depreciate each year.
Of course.
That £80 you spend on your insurance for, or £50 or £40 you spend for a £300,000 life payout is fixed and guaranteed for 40 years. Have a mortgage, for you to have business insurance, but not life insurance. Why? It's very simple. Nobody wants to tell you how to create wealth. Most of us drive, but if you ask when's the last time you had a car crash, nobody says, oh, I've been driving for 10 years, touch wood.
Yes, yeah, that's it only, yeah.
You go on a mortgage, you buy a property, you get a building insurance. The likelihood of your house collapsing is 0 to nothing, but you still need to have that, right?
Yes.
But now life insurance, you can die at any given time. Do you have £300,000 in the bank account right now if you die?
No.
Do you have £40,000 to bury yourself? Because a lot of people don't even know the cost of burial in the UK. To cremate your body is £4,000. To repatriate your body is about 10 grand.
Yeah.
To bury you with a plot is about £38,000, nearly £40,000 plus VAT. You know the plot, and they put your body down for about 30 years before they remove it back. Yeah, it's like a mortgage as well that you pay.
Wow.
So most people don't even know that.
Of course,
until death comes. And when death comes, always in a household, in a community, the first thing they ask, always in Europe, did he have insurance? Did he have a funeral cover? No. How much do you need for insurance? £30, £40, £50? You spend that on things that you don't even need. You will spend £100 on a phone contract that will depreciate each year.
Of course.
That £80 you spend on your insurance for, or £50 or £40 you spend for a £300,000 life payout is fixed and guaranteed for 40 years. So you know, people die, the age range of people dying is within the age of 70 and in the 80s.
80, yeah.
But now the younger people are dying more than the older people because of carelessness. We're drinking more, we're eating more, we're exposed to a lot of drugs more. There's knife crime.
Of course, a lot.
So, if now, that's another problem, knife crime. If most black families in the UK insure their children at the age of 17 going upward, do you think the knife crime will stop? Yes, it will stop, because what will happen? The insurance people will be telling the government to say, hey, Mr. Government, what is happening with this knife crime? It needs to be tamed down. Same thing that happened when the car theft was on a high rise. The insurance people complained, they increased the policing, they have NPR cameras all over the country. Any stolen car, they clamp on it. So they can do the same thing. But because the knife crime doesn't affect their community, affects our community, they don't care. So it's up to us now to start taking tactical decisions on how to implement things that will benefit us. Insurance is the safest and quickest way to create intergenerational wealth. I cannot compete with my Asian friend. I cannot compete with Ozzy. But I'm sure my children will compete with his children. That's for sure. It might not be with me, but I'm trying to prepare my lineage, because we need to make sure our death create wealth, not poverty. We're all gonna die.
Of course.
Our forefathers, my great-grandfather, my grandfather left me land. What do I leave for my own children? How do I better that land then? You get what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, of course.
So it is very, very important for us to change our mentality. And I think the key is mindset and attitude in life. We need to create a lot of awareness, but sometimes we have the wrong priorities in life. You see some of our sisters, you ask them, oh, I spend £40 a month, is it a month or a week, on the nails? To impress who? I spend £60 on my eyelashes. You see a brother, you say, oh no, I bought these shoes for £1,000, but you have no life insurance. What's the priority there, bro? You have a car, finance, £400 a month. You have your car insurance, £150, but do you have any life insurance? No, you don't. On your birthday, you blow.
But you know what? I know some people scared about life insurance because it is gonna die quick,
They're gonna die quick.
and people gonna take that money to.
Oh.
You know, we forgot to talk about this situation in French. You know, I know some people who scared to take this life insurance because they think the woman who is dirty can kill him
Okay.
and use that money.
Let me tell you something. A funny thing is, like, when you take a life insurance policy, you write it in a trust. Or if you have assets, you have a will. So a trust is basically where you put the name of your beneficiaries to say, if I ever die, I want my money to go to ABC.
Okay.
So let's say you kill me, but your name is not on the trust. Are you gonna eat the money?
No. The thing is, I'm 100% sure the person not gonna kill him now. You understand?
No, I think you know what you have. Like I said to you, is the mindset and mentality. That's why my job is to do what? Educate you first. I'm not a salesperson. I'm an advisor. So what I do, I educate. I build a rapport with you to say, I am with you. I'm part of you. I understand your fears and ideology you have. But my job is to educate you. But I can only educate you to the best of my ability.
Of course.
I won't force you, because remember, you're not taking it from me. And I'm proud because I'm the only guy, as I could say, I'm in an industry that I go to everybody's house in this country. And every time I live in this house, I live at least £500,000. Give me a job in this country that'll give you £500,000 when you die. Give me a job. So I'm really proud of myself, because I know if something happened to you, Bessie, today, they're not going to do GoFundMe. Your wife and children will be okay. True or false?
Yes.
So when I not come to your funeral and eat and dance very well and celebrate your life, because now if there's nothing, we're all going to be there like this. They'll be giving you a book for a grade. Yeah, right. Yeah.
£10, £5.
So after that, they give the money. What about your wife and children then? You were the main breadwinner, or you took care of 70% of the bills at home. Your wife took care of 30% of the bills at home. So you're not there tomorrow. How does she cope with the children? What about if your wife died? How do you cope with the children? People don't see like that. Death doesn't tell you when it comes. When COVID came, did COVID told you it was coming?
No.
How many people did COVID kill? The guy that went to America and killed the kids in school, did he tell you he was coming to kill the kids?
No.
So, insurance is a preventive method. Insurance is a necessity. Insurance costs you money to protect your assets. What is your asset? Your asset is yourself, your business, your house, your car, your investment. That's insurance. Because you spend money on insurance to protect your asset, and in return, you're guaranteed at least for something. We're in jewelry quota today. You go in this jewelry shop, you break through, you steal something. Are they not covered for insurance? They're covered for insurance. We're sitting in this cafe right now. Let's say out of nowhere, this sign comes out and hit my head.
Yeah.
There's something called public liability. I guess there's about £5 million or £10 million. I'm guaranteed to be compensated, true or false. If my car gets stolen, it's a high-end car. If it gets stolen, I'm fully comp. The insurance will give me a courtesy car and then replace my car with another car. That's why I pay, because you pay for a service.
Yeah.
I'm not misleading. I don't mislead nobody. So that's why when I speak to my clients, I speak to people, I want you to be as open as possible with me. Because in return, when it comes to claim, I'm the one going to chase the claim for you. Nobody else. I'm going to do the claim for you as your broker. That's what I get paid for.
Yeah.
So why stressing?
Guys, for more videos like this, subscribe and then share the video. Like, if you want more videos like this, we're gonna talk about the insurance, talk about life, talk about entrepreneurial, talk about the business.
Yep.
And then just subscribe. And
like his page, like a brother said,
yes.
I'm on Instagram, I'm on social media, but I'm popular in real life. That's my strength. I'd rather be popular in real life as well, because it's better that way. And remember, don't play yourself. Somebody's got to do it. No situation is permanent. You might have started late, but you're not destined to be last. You have the monopoly of your becoming, nobody else. You're not a loser, but you're a winner. Your mindset and attitude is key in life. But most importantly, discipline beats motivation.
of course,
And stay consistent. No situation is permanent. Shapalaza.
this was Insurance Guru.
Insurance Guru #1.
Thank you very much, Insurance.
No, the pleasure is mine, my brother. Thank you.
I think this was
A well spent time.
yeah.
And I think it was very educational for both of us. And I think we should do this more often. It's very important. Guys, like I say, they won't support you when you start. We'll only support you when it becomes popular to support you. S&M Gym is the future in Cameroon.
Thank you. Thank
Insurance Guru is the future too in Africa, not just in Cameroon.
In what?
Global. I can't wait to go to Pakistan now.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It was Insurance Guru.
Thank you
for watching the video and subscribe and share the video. Like. Thank you guys. Ciao, ciao.
C'était super.